So you finish your app, Google says, cool, now find 12 strangers to test it for you for 14 days straight. Every solo developer hits this wall. Close testing on Google Play needs 12 real, verified testers checking in for 14 days. No bots, no shortcuts, and basically nobody has 12 friends with Android phones who will actually do it. That's what TesterWiz is for. It's a free swap. You test other indie apps, you earn credits, you spend those credits to launch your own campaign. No payments, ever. Post your campaign, testers apply. You verify them in Play Console. The 14-day clock runs with check-ins on schedule. You confirm, everyone gets their credits. Every credit tracked on a ledger. Nothing gets released until you confirm the work actually happened, and we're not selling fake approvals. Obviously, Google still decides. We just make sure the testing is real. If you're stuck on the 12th tester wall, TesterWiz is free, and it's live right now.